the one that attenuates the satellite signals too, go ahead.
Yeah, I bet they're not going to get cut down, though. I live on 8 acres of land here, and I don't farm or anything, but we must have
Things considered.
Good deal. Well, enjoy the pass. I'll talk to you a little bit later. WI99.
7-3, George. See you later. VA3 KSF. You are good. They call the phone company and they blame the security company, and the security company blames the phone company, and the result is I do have internet though, and that's actually more than me. Not bad, not bad. This will Flex down Flexonia, for some Flexonite to be installed in it, and should get it back next week. Nothing serious.
Yeah, great. I looked at the new Flex, whatever the heck it is, with all the buttons and knobs and everything else. They had a new one there at Hamvention.
Yeah, I saw some pictures of it. I believe they had the 6600 up there. That's the one with the knobs and the band adapter screen on it. For the folks that want knobs and stuff.
I guess I'm one of them. Okay, Frank, 73. Have a great afternoon that way. Over.
Yeah, Roger. Have fun. Talk to you later. VA3 is Cable Living King. Turn into the 7-3.
Wow.
Where's Mr. Tom, KATO, from VA3 KSF? I'm glad you led the way on Friday for me, over.
Good luck. I didn't even go on Sunday. It was pissing down rain, and I said, the heck with that, and so did Kate. Over.
I got you down at the bottom end of the band now. You moved all the way down to 842.
Move up, you know.
Go to 860. Okay, I'll try it. VA3 KSF.
Kilo 8.
Second. Yeah, I'm having a flip back and forth on the polarity. The bird's doing all kinds of twisties. I'll catch you later. I'll let you go back to looking around or calling there. AFI Charlie, careful with the geese.
Hello, CQ. This is Kilo 5, November Delta. Kilo 5, November Delta from Echo November 63. Hello, CQ. This is Kilo 5, November Delta. Kilo 5, November Delta. K5ND from Echo November 63. November 4, Indian Quebec Victor. This is K5ND, Echo November 63. Thanks for the contact, 73.